Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be testing some new lights for when we're working in the garage. Let's go ahead and take a look. So a company recently reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in testing out some of these lights for them. I said yes, of course, because I thought, those would be great for when I'm working in the garage under the hood and need a little bit more light in the engine bay. I was actually looking for some lights like that already, so I'm super glad that we partnered up and got to do one of these videos. And I've got to say, I'm pretty pleased with them so far. We're actually using our second one here. They come in a 2-pack to light up the whole engine bay. Now you can fan all these blades down or put them at an angle for wherever you need the light, or you can have it in this omnidirectional mode here where the light is beaming out from the center. And as you can see, these have just rows and rows and rows of LEDs on every blade, and then they're on the bottom as well. And they just screw into a standard light bulb socket. It's got these little caps to protect that during shipping. So since these are LED, they are going to last for quite a long time. We're talking 50,000 hours of continuous use. They're also going to take up about 85% less energy since they're LED, and I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, but this one's pumping out like 12,000 lumens. That's pretty bright. Now, the only real downside that I've found so far is that they're not weatherproof. So if you choose to use them outside, just make sure that they're not getting wet and that you bring them back in after you're done. And like I was saying earlier, since they screw into just a standard light bulb socket, you don't necessarily have to use them in just the garage. You can use them all around your house. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about these lights, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below for some of these if you want to pick some up for yourself. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.